Skincare SEO Best Practices, a comprehensive guide to boosting your digital visibility. Hey there, want to make your skincare brand the next big sensation in the digital domain? You're in the right place. In today's session, we'll be uncovering the secrets behind skincare SEO best practices. Before we unravel these insights, if you find what I'm sharing beneficial, do me a favor, hit that like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, or give me a follow on Twitter. Every bit of your support amplifies this message and ensures I can continue bringing this expertise to you for free. In the vast universe of skincare, succeeding isn't just about having premium products or groundbreaking formulations. It's about showcasing your brand effectively to the right set of eyes. And that, my friends, is where the magic of skincare SEO becomes indispensable. Crafting detailed product pages. A product page is more than just a platform to sell. It's your brand's digital ambassador. The more comprehensive and engaging your product pages are, the better. Start with a catchy tagline. Delve deep into lifestyle images, elucidate the key benefits, and then cap it off with a clear call to action. An in-depth description can address potential concerns and queries that customers might have, increasing their confidence in your product. And remember, an informed customer is more likely to click that add to cart button. The magic of meta titles and descriptions. Think of meta titles and descriptions as the elevator pitch of the digital world. They offer a brief yet compelling snapshot of what to expect. These seemingly minor snippets can heavily sway a user's decision to explore your brand or move on to the next. Craft them wisely and keep them dynamic, periodically revisiting them to ensure they're aligned with your latest offerings. The allure of rich snippets. Rich snippets are like the premium listings of the search world. With additional information such as ratings, price, and availability, they provide a richer browsing experience. This can be particularly useful for skincare products where users might be keen on ratings and reviews before making a choice. By integrating rich snippets, you're not just enhancing your visibility, but also building an aura of trustworthiness around your brand. Visual engagement through images. In the skincare world, seeing is believing. Quality images can simulate the brick and mortar experience of feeling and touching a product. Offer high resolution images from multiple angles, showcase the texture, the packaging, and even the application process. And remember, every image should be optimized with appropriate alt text to make it discoverable, amplifying your SEO efforts. Positioning through expertise. The power of blogs. A blog is not just a platform for content. It's a statement of authority. Whether it's dissecting the latest skincare trends, elucidating the benefits of hyaluronic acid, or busting common skincare myths, every article reinforces your brand's expertise. Over time, this not only aids in SEO, but also positions your brand as a go-to source for reliable skincare information. Embracing the YouTube revolution. With its massive user base, YouTube is a behemoth you cannot ignore. From tutorials, product reviews, to ingredient deep dives, the platform is teeming with skincare enthusiasts hungry for information. Having a dedicated YouTube channel or collaborating with a seasoned influencer can significantly broaden your brand's reach. Moreover, Google's propensity to feature YouTube content in its search results is an added SEO advantage. Continuous evolution. SEO isn't a one-time task, it's a continuous endeavor. As search algorithms evolve and user preferences change, your strategy should adapt. Regularly audit your website, keep track of changing keywords, and update your content to keep it fresh and relevant. In concluding our deep dive into skincare SEO best practices, we've seen that its significance extends far beyond algorithms and rankings. It's fundamentally about building genuine connections with your audience by deeply understanding their needs, addressing their concerns, and showcasing your product's authenticity. You not only elevate digital visits, but also cultivate loyal patronage in the vast digital skincare universe. I sincerely hope you found this guide insightful. If you're watching this on YouTube, please go ahead and hit like and subscribe for more content like this. From the users watching on Twitter, go ahead and like and follow. That would mean the world to us. Your continued support is what makes this platform of informative digital marketing information 100% free for all. Thank you, and until our next discussion. Thanks for watching. If you're still unsure about your digital marketing question, be sure to request a free marketing audit from Zima Media, where one of our marketing consultants will create a personalized video response and address every single one of the smart marketing opportunities to grow your business.